In this video, we will be looking at TBC 5.7 point cloud filter enhancements. We will focus on the filter point cloud by CAD lines or alignments command. Let's have a look at the workflow in TBC now. I already imported a point cloud, and the first thing we need to do is we need to create a CAD line. Go to CAD line string. I already gave it a name for center line. The layers are already existing, and I'll go OK, and then quickly capture my line. When that's done, first thing we need to do is we need to measure how wide you want to actually filter your point cloud. So we'll measure there to the left hand side, dot down that measurement, again that side, dot down the measurement, and now we're ready to filter the point cloud. Go to the point clouds tab, under regions you'll see filter point cloud. Click on that. Filter by, you have an option of station and CAD line alignment. We'll use the CAD line alignment. In this window you will see the different CAD lines and alignments you can choose. We only have the one for this example, and then the actual point cloud region you would like to filter. Click on that. In the offset by drop down you'll have two options, radius or distance from CAD line alignment. Choose the distance one, and then the measurements we dotted down, let's type them in now. And then the right hand side, then you can filter by elevation as another option if you want to. Under more options you can actually give your point cloud region a name with a prefix. So let's just say road surface would be our prefix. When you're happy with your settings, click on compute. At the bottom you will see the progress bar indicating how far the filtering process is. Once that is complete, we will have two separate point cloud regions to choose from. Let's close this, then go to point cloud regions, and you can see I have now a road surface and ground. If we look at those separately, go to view filter, and let's quickly go to the point cloud regions, switch off the ground, and there you can see the road section that we've done. I'll quickly do a 3D view, and there you can see the road surface separated from the actual ground on the side. So that is a quick and easy way to separate point clouds using the CAD line alignment filter functionality in TBC.